In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles and captions to your HeyGen videos. Easy Guide 2025. Captions make your videos more accessible, easier to follow on mute, and more engaging for viewers all around the world. I'll walk you through a simple flow inside HeyGen so you can go from script to styled captions in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen. From the results, click the official HeyGen website to open it. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create option and click it. Next, choose Create Video. When prompted, select Create in AI Studio. This opens HeyGen's editor where you'll do all the work. Inside the AI Studio, press the / key on your keyboard. That brings up the quick command menu, which is the fastest way to add content. From there, click Upload Script. A file picker will appear. Navigate to where your script is saved on your computer, select it, and click Open. Your script will be brought into the project so HeyGen can sync it to your video. Now look over to the right side of the screen. That's where the Tools panel lives, and it's where you'll control visual enhancements for your project. Find and click Captions. This enables subtitles for your video based on your script or spoken audio. You'll see design options appear so you can style the captions to fit your brand and keep them easy to read. Select your preferred caption design. As you choose, think about clarity first. Pick high contrast colors so text stands out over your footage, and use a clean, readable font. If the style allows, keep the font size large enough for mobile viewers and add a subtle background or stroke for extra legibility. Place captions low but not too close to the bottom edge to avoid platform overlays. If your video includes multiple speakers or on-screen text, choose a style that doesn't compete visually. The goal is to guide the viewer's eyes without blocking important parts of the frame. That's the entire process. Open HeyGen, create your video in AI Studio, use the / command to upload your script, head to the tools on the right, turn on captions, and select the design that matches your content. With those steps, your HeyGen video will have polished, professional subtitles that improve comprehension and accessibility. Once your design looks great, you're all set to continue your edit and finish your video with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with captions in HeyGen.